guys, this is Nina Perez and this is Memoirs with a Fat Girl, going from P.H.A.T to pretty healthy and terrific in real time. I am here in my basement in my gym because it is downpouring raining and we have to do a boot camp anyway. PJ sent us all of the information on what we are to do, so I'm going to do that with you here. And this is boot camp 75, and so everybody had to promise to do it from home, so hopefully they went ahead and did that. I'm going to be doing it here, so I am going to be doing it as proof to you guys that I'm doing it, also proof to PJ that I did it. So we are going to go ahead and get started. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you click like and the little bell notification so you don't miss a video. I've also started the podcast, so please go on there and listen to the podcast, and it's just about talking about different topics and things. So I have decided that I am going to really reinvent myself for 2021 and be a new and better me. Whatever that is, I don't know yet, but I am trying to discover that. One of the things I'm going to be doing is being completely raw and honest with you about who I am and what I am. You know, I'm just going to be consistent. I'm just going to be as consistent as I possibly can be. And that's it. I'm going to try to make promises and keep my promises. And that's all I can really do, right? So I am starting this journey. I started it in like March or something, and here I am. It is now November 2020. This year has been quite a little bit of a shit show, right? So I'm hoping that 2021 is better. So we are going to go ahead and get started because I have quite a bit of a workout to do, and I will be taking some breaks in between to drink and probably not to pass out, but I'll be doing the best that I can do. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back at the end. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. All right, so this is what I have to do. Six times. That's a lot. I'm gonna put on my zone. My boy gave this to me with his beautiful future wife, and this is what he got me, and I'm gonna put it on so I can see what kind of effort I'm putting in while I'm here working out at home. But this is what it is, so let's go. so much for watching. I can't believe it. I did it. It's painful and hard to do, but I did them. I am so proud of myself right now. I can't believe it, but I want to thank you guys for watching and for being a part of this journey with me. I can't do this unless I have somebody holding me accountable, and that's where you guys come in. You guys come in to make me accountable. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to go onto our website, memoirsofafat.live, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click like. Please share the videos and click that little bell notification so you don't miss any. I'm going to be making some recipes coming your way, and I'm gonna have some experts on here, and you're gonna be able to see me kick ass for 2021. I've been doing, I think, a decent job so far from when I started, but definitely not 100% in, and I'm gonna give you my 100% because that is what I promised, and I have to be a woman of my word. So I'm gonna mess up a lot. I'm probably gonna say things you guys don't like. I'm probably gonna give you, I don't know, statements that you're gonna be like, no, that's not right. And you know what? It is what it is. This is my journey, and I'm hoping that you're taking one too, because it is so important to me that you guys are also being healthy and doing something healthy. So this is boot camp number 75, and there's no excuses. I just took an hour to do what I had to do. So thank you guys. Please be a part of this community. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments below. If you're going to be mean or cruel or have something mean to say, I'm not going to pay attention to it, and it will be deleted. All right? Because we're here to encourage and to fill people with inspiration and have them know that they can change their lives, that they don't have to be where they were yesterday. All right? Thank you guys.